You could take the snow. It looks really pretty.
The first big snowstorm in 2010.
No, it's the second one.
That was nothing that last week. That was porquería. Bitch, yeah, I didn't know we were leaving right now. You want to leave now?
Yeah, let's start looking our way around because we don't know where the...
Are you checking out?
I don't know. Let's just go downstairs
Okay.
and find out.
Oh shit, they shut the light down. I wish I had a film.
Yeah, I wanted to take it before later.
That shit was on when I woke up. Yo, they ain't playing.
No, I'm telling you, they had it. Standard photo, whatever is that photo.
Boo.
¿No me salen las pajitas de nieve?
Huh?